Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to eliminate extra rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open or create your sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Firstly, select this sheet to eliminate extra rows and column. Then press Ctrl G on your keyboard and you can see here are go to interface. Now press special. Now you can see here are blanks. Select these blanks and press OK. Now you can see I select extra rows and columns. Now right click on this cell and press delete. Now you can firstly choose entire row, then press OK. You can see I eliminated extra rows. Now I eliminated extra column. Again select on your sheet, then press Ctrl G on your keyboard, then choose special. Now select blanks, then press OK. Now you can see I select extra columns. Right click on this column and press delete. Now choose entire column, then press OK. You can see I eliminated extra rows and columns in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for